Hi everyone, Willem D. Ritter here with Compass, and I have your second quarter market update for the San Diego housing market. Well, it's finally happened. We started to see a slow in the housing market. As inflation has really taken a toll on the economy, the government has started to increase interest rates rapidly to try to reverse that trend. Now with interest rates around 5.25 to 5.75 for a 30-year mortgage, affordability has come down quite a bit. So as a result, we'll start to see prices flatten out or even pull back a little bit. For the first 3 months of the year, we really saw a good amount of appreciation in home values with interest rates around 2.5 to 3.5%. Now that rates are in the mid-5s, price appreciation is definitely going to slow, and it may even pull back some of those gains we had earlier this year. So housing inventory has started to increase as buyer demand has slowed. Right now we have about 3,000 detached single-family homes on the market. That's up almost 20% from this time last month. For attached condos and townhomes, we have about 1,250 units for sale. That's up 15% from the previous month. Okay, with that said, we're not just seeing this massive wave of inventory hit the market. Yes, we are seeing people list their homes and try to take advantage of the high prices, but it's also a factor of the homes that are currently on the market. They're just taking longer to sell. And so, people used to list their homes and they'd be on the market for 3 days. Well, now it's not the case. It's taking longer to sell. And also some sellers are not caught up with what the current buyer demand is. So they're having to chase the market down, which you have to be careful of. So that's what's leading to the kind of seemingly more inventory amount. So we still only have about 2 months of housing supply, which is really historically low. Again, in an even market, we're used to seeing 4 to 5 months worth of housing supply. I also want you to keep in mind the average for 30-year mortgage is 6.25%, and the average days on market is 60 days. I know that's hard for people to imagine when interest rates have been between 2.5% and 4% for the last 4 or 5 years, and the average days on market is about 2 weeks. So that's something that people are going to have to adjust to in this new normal market. So with the uncertainty of the economy and the stock market being quite volatile, I'm starting to see families and investors flee to real estate because it's a good hedge against inflation and it's a much safer investment right now. So if you're thinking about buying, you have time to be patient and find what you really want. You do have time. I think we're going to be in this somewhat new normal market for maybe the next 12 to 18 months. If you're thinking about selling, it's still a great time. Prices are good, the buyers are there. You just have to price and strategize according to today's buyer demand. I'll continue to keep you updated on the San Diego housing market as we continue through the year. If you have any real estate or home ownership needs, please call me. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.